What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a price prediction and price analysis, purely technical analysis, on the Matic coin or Polygon. I believe it's still the Matic coin, but it's on the Polygon network, so yeah, kind of a mix between those. Because Matic has made a big move up in the last few days of about 20%, so that's a little, but I do think that it can go higher. And to be honest, that's my opinion, not financial advice, but I really think it's time for Matic to go up again. Maybe like a move we have seen in the 17th of May. Probably not as fast as this, but these price levels I think can be reached again, if not higher. Because I basically think that what we have seen with Avalanche, so it was top 10, it's down now, so that what it was at 135. I think the same will happen to Polygon in the next few days and weeks, or at least we have the possibility to do that. So Polygon right now is at a 12 billion market cap. If it were to do the same as Avalanche, I think it will go to somewhere between a 20 and a 22 market cap, and that's probably not going to happen in the next few days, but in the next few weeks I definitely think that's possible. So Matic right now is at this big resistance between 1.8 and 1.87, and I do think this resistance will hold, and maybe we will even get one more touch off of this resistance. But ultimately I think this 1.70, so to be precise, anywhere between 1.71 and 1.68 is enough support to actually, well, what I told you, maybe get one more touch or two more touches, and then ultimately I think that's enough to actually break through this resistance. And if we break through that, that's obviously a bullish breakout first of all, but after that I do think that we can reach this 2.15, 2.2 level again, and when we reach that area, I mean, there's a good chance that we will break through and something like this could happen. And then where the price will go, it's difficult to say, but it will probably find resistance at around 2.4, and then the next resistance will be 2.7. But that's really in the future. That's too long term to predict right now. I just think that this level, this resistance area, could break very soon, which in itself is already very bullish. You know, fundamentally, that a price breaks through again, and if it breaks through, that would be quite a big gain in the last week, which obviously is seen by a lot of people. So I think that is the most likely scenario. I just wanted to sketch out a different scenario too, which wouldn't be too bad, but yeah, it would just be neutral. I mean, if we do not find enough support between 1.71 and 1.68, so if we go through these levels, I think we stay in this small consolidation we have got going right here for a little longer. And a consolidation or accumulation isn't that bad, because it's just, as the word says, it's accumulating capital, accumulating buyers, and also time is spent in this consolidation, and how the more time is spent in it, you know, the less likely people are the bigger the chance the price will actually break out, and that breakout tends to be bigger if you look at other cryptos and their movements. So yeah, I think that's a scenario too, but I really think this scenario is more likely, and it might not happen in such a big move up, like straight up as I've drawn right here, but I really think in the next few days and weeks something along these lines can happen. So to sketch out a more realistic scenario, maybe something like this. I think that's more realistic, but obviously that's too detailed to actually come through in this exact way, but I still wanted to draw a little bit more realistic scenario. But I really think this is possible for Matic in the next few days and weeks. If you know me and my channel, I always try to be as honest and realistic as possible, and I really think this is realistic, both in technical analysis ways and also in market cap and such. So yeah, if you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And yeah, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!